Hello students, in this video I will do 10th and 11th part of question number 2, exercise 13.5. 10th part is to make angle of 120 degree. All these angles are with the help of D. To make angle of 120 degree with the help of protractor, that is D. You will draw a line segment AB. Now at this starting point we will make angle of 120 degree. So 120 degree is here. Join this point with point A. Let this point be C. So this whole angle is 120 degree. After this we have 11th part. In 11th part we have to make angle of 135 degree with the help of D. So again you will draw a line segment AB of any length. Keep your D at the starting point and make sure this horizontal line coincides with the line segment AB. Now, angle of 135 is this. Put here dot. Now you join it with the help of scale. Let this point be C. So this will give you angle of 135 degree. Now is question number 3. In question number 3, all the angles which we have made with D, we will make with compass now. First angle is of 60 degree. Now you will watch it seriously. Only then you will be able to draw these. So first you will draw a line segment of any length. Let it be AB. Now you will open your compass, approximate this much. Keep the tip of your compass at the starting point and you will draw semicircle. You will draw semicircle like this. We have got this point on line segment AB. Now you will not change the radius of your compass. You will put the tip of your compass at this point. Keep it here and draw one arc like this. Where this arc is intercepting this semicircle, you mark this point, put here dot and you join it with A. It will give you angle of 60 degree. It is angle of 60 degree. Let this point be C. So this angle BAC is 60 degree. Now let us make angle of 30 degree. Second part, angle of 30 degree. Angle of 30 degree is half of 60 degree. What we will do? We will bisect this angle. First we will have to make angle of 60 degree. So after making angle of 60 degree, let it be AB. Now open your compass, approximate this much. Keep the tip of your compass at this point A and you draw semicircle like this. Keep the tip of your compass at this point, initial point. Mark here arc. This angle is of 60 degree. Now we have to bisect this angle. We have got 2 points. No need to join this point with A. What you will do? We will bisect this point and this point. Now to bisect it, as perpendicular bisector we have made, we can increase the radius of your compass. Keep the tip of your compass at this point. Mark arc like this. Now keep the tip of your compass at this point and mark arc to intersect these, the previous arc. Again see one arc you will draw from this point and one arc you will draw from this point. It will give you angle bisector. Now join this point of intersection with A. Join this point of intersection with A. It will give you angle of 30 degree. So like this we can make angle of 30 degree. It is angle bisector. After this we have angle of 15 degree. 15 degree is the bisector of 30 degree. It means first of all, third part, 15 degree. So first of all we have to make angle of 60 degree. 60 degree angle. So let this line segment AB, keep the tip of your compass at the starting point, draw semicircle. We have got this point, keep the tip of your compass at this point, draw this arc. This will give you angle of 60 degree. After drawing angle 60 degree, you increase the radius of your compass, keep the tip of your compass at this point, mark one arc, and from this point you mark another arc to intersect the previous arc. This angle is of 30 degree. You have to join it because then we need bisector of 30 degree. It is bisector of 60 degree. This angle is a 30 degree. Now we have got 2 points. One point is this on the line segment, other point is this. Now you keep the tip of your compass at this point, make one arc here, and from this point make one arc here. Where these two arcs are intersecting, you put their dot, mark their point. Now you join it with the point A. Join it with A. It will give you angle of 15 degree. This is angle of 15 degree. Let it is AB, let it be C, and let it be D. So angle DAB is equal to 15 degree, and here let this point be C. Angle CAB is equal to 30 degree, and here angle CAB is equal to 60 degree. So like this, all these angles are similar because in all the three parts we have made angle of 60 degree first, then we have bisected this angle. So thank you very much.